This is so impromptu, but I've decided to make this a giveaway. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Yosha and I'm your go-to girl for all things real. I've never done this before, but I am going to be trying some nose ring hoops for the first time. And I purchased these at my local piercing pagoda. I actually went there yesterday and I was able to pick out 3 sets of nose rings. One is a stainless steel trio, and then the other 2 are 2 14K gold hoops. And so they had a sale going on and you could buy one and get 2 50% off. Currently I actually have on a L stud. And so I was like, I want to try a hoop for the first time. I've never ever worn one. I didn't know how to put them in, but I'm going to show you what I got. This is the first set. It is the first set is a stainless steel yellow, black, and gray hoops, nose 22 gauge trio. After talking with the person who worked there, I realized that my nose rings kept seeping in because their gauges are really small. The lady at the piercing pagoda was letting me know that their gauges basically are mostly 20 and 22, with 20 being the bigger gauge. If you've had your piercing for a while, you may need a bigger gauge or something like this because it's a little bit harder for it to come out. Otherwise, you could just look for other places that have a bigger gauge so that your stud won't fall out. Another thing is if your diamond or your stud at the top is bigger, it makes it harder for it to fall out. And a lot of their diamonds, although they are 14 karat gold plated or 10 karat gold plated, they have the little small diamonds. So honestly, it's better to get one ring for $50 with a bigger stud than to purchase a 3-pack with a bunch of small studs, because those may fall out. You can also try different shapes like the hearts and the stars and butterfly and stuff like that, because those are bigger. So the next one, I'm taking it out our pack. It looks like this. And this one was a 14 karat gold plated one. And she said that this one was being discontinued. So it is 14 karat gold plated and it was $14.98. This is the 14 karat gold spike hoop with a 22 gauge. So I think all of the ones I picked up were 22 gauge. But because it was a hoop, I didn't mind trying it. And then my last one, I'm not showing y'all the packaging because it's the same packaging and it's the same ring. I got 2 of these. So what I'm going to be doing for you all today is just getting up a little closer to the camera, and I'm going to try this out for the first time on camera and see how I like it, and then I'm going to come back. So I am going to actually set up my iPhone and put like a little table right here so that I can like get it in from 2 different angles. Alright y'all, I'm back. I have my iPhone right here. I'm going to set it up so that y'all can kind of see a better angle, because this angle is way better. And I'm going to go ahead and take the blue one off of the little hoop. It is like twisted, so I got to kind of untwist it from the back. And this set was 20 bucks. It had 3 in it. Which I do want to tell y'all, I happened to go in Walmart yesterday to get some silicone bands because I sent my wedding ring off to be cleaned. And I happened to go over to the nose piercing area and I realized that they sell these hoops and things really cheap too. So this is what the blue one looks like up close, guys. I'm trying not to drop it. It's really little. And I'm going to go ahead and take this one out. So I'm going to get close. I'm going to scoot this back. That way you can see it on both angles. And what I do is I really just take my finger like that. And I pull it. Make sure y'all can see it here too. Oh yeah, you can see it on both. So I'm going to push it back in so y'all can see. So I take my finger and I just put my finger in and I pull it. And then I pull the tip and pull it right on out. So I'm going to sit that down on the table carefully. And as y'all can see, I don't have anything in. So now I'm going to get my hoop You can clean it if you want to. I'm not going to do that. It's a brand new one. I mean, you can do that if you want. You can put some saline salt and warm water on it, whatever you want to do. I like to, like, you know, use them straight out the pack. So I'm going to go ahead and go close again. And I'm going to actually look at my camera here so I can see. And I'm going to try to put this thing in. I've never done it before. Hopefully it's not an epic fail. Okay, I'm trying to like consider that you guys are here. And there's a mirror in front of me where I'm filming too. This is such an awkward angle though. I'm not used to. So okay, I put it on my nose like this. I just put it on there. It's not in by any means, but I put it on there to try to help it make it be a little easier for me. I don't know if that'll help you guys, but now, while it's there, I'm going to go ahead and ease it back where my hole is and try to do like a roll and push type thing. I don't feel like it went in. Did it go in? Is it in, y'all? I don't know. It's in. It feels awkward. Is it in? Okay, so did I push it all the way in? I'm super confused. I feel it in, but I don't know if it's in. Okay, I'm gonna bring this closer to my nose so I can see. Huh. All right, I'm gonna push that back over there. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm looking right here, and it's like it disappeared. This is the top of it. Right here. Like where the little dot is. It's almost looking like a stud on me. And then I'm going to pull it out again. Because it's supposed to go around the nose. Like, it's supposed to go around. It's supposed to look like this. There we go. It's supposed to look like this. So that's the blue one. I'm just giving y'all the real. I've never tried a hoop before, and this is what the blue one looks like. I'm like, eh. What do y'all think? I think it's different. I'm not used to the hoop thing at all. It feels, I can feel, like it doesn't hurt or anything like that, but it just feels weird, like I have something here on my nose. And I guess the little ball on the end is to prevent it from coming out. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if I have it on right. If it's supposed to be like, it's supposed to be straight, I guess. Like, did I ever put it in right? Y'all, maybe I didn't put it in right. Hold on. I don't know if the hoop is easy, y'all. Okay. Okay. This is my final answer, okay? So I think it's in. That's the blue. Pretty easy to put in, I guess. It feels different. I'm used to wearing the studs in my nose, but yeah, I mean, this is how it looks. And now I want to try a different color. You really can't see the blue. I don't know if y'all can see the blue, but for me, like, it looks like black from far away. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off. I'm going to put it away inside of this. And I'm going to now try, I don't know. Part of me is like, do I want to try this same kind again? Or do I want to try the 14K gold? And I guess I'm going to try the 14K gold one. Maybe putting this price tag sticker on there so you cannot take the thing off if you want to. Okay, so that's what this one looks like. I'm holding it in between my fingers. And if your piercing is new, or it just in general, if you have a piercing, you want to make sure your hands are clean. So make sure that you wash your hands before you start touching your nose, especially if you just got your nose pierced in the last 6 months or so and you're changing it. You don't want to get bacteria from your hands in your piercing and cause a bump or any sort of irritation to it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and try to do the gold one now. And It looks like it would go in on the longer side. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did last time, where actually I'm pulling it a little bit so it can fit. But I had actually stretched that one because it was like super tight. Okay, so I have it cupped over my nose. And then I'm going to find the hole and push it in. And I just realized y'all can't see me on this one. There we go. I was able to get it in. But it's in, but how do you get the illusion of a ring? Maybe this gauging just doesn't work for me. Because I feel it in my hole now. It's in the hole. Y'all got stuff on my face. Here we go. And this might be why this is getting discontinued right there, because it's hard to see when it's in. I don't know. But y'all can see it here. I got it on up close right here. I like this one, and I also like that it's 14 karat gold. Like I said, I have never worn a nose hoop. I'm gonna definitely take some pictures in this one. My main point of doing this was to see, you know, do I like nose hoops? Is it easy to put on a nose hoop? And honestly, y'all, it was not that easy for me. But this is cute. So this is cute. I probably would wear it. But I don't know. Like, I probably need to look for one that has a bigger or a smaller gauge. So because I feel like my bar is not looping correctly. Like, I'm probably wearing it wrong. But it's in. Like, I feel it in my hole. But I just feel like maybe, you know, this ain't plus size nose friendly. Now when I tweaked it, now it's on the edge. But y'all can kind of see where that's like a little horn on it. It's kind of cute. Like, what I liked about this one in comparison to the ones that I tried on in blue, which I have in other colors, is that you can really see this one. It's a little bit of a pop. Like, you can see that I have something in my nose. If I wore this one, people would know that my nose was pierced. A lot of times with the nose studs, L shapes, they're so subtle. Unless somebody is just like really trying to hound on because they don't want you wearing it, you really can't tell. So I wasn't going to do this before. This is so impromptu, but I've decided to make this a giveaway because piercing videos have been so successful on my channel. A lot of y'all have questions about piercings, so I'm going to make this a giveaway. as I showed you guys before, I ordered 2 of this hoop right here. So with the 3-pack of stainless steel and the one that I have in right now, I have 4 hoops. What I want to do for you guys is, if you have your nose pierced and you are interested in getting this 14 karat gold plated nose ring, this is the 14K YG spike nose hoop, 22 gauge, SKU number 203-08972. It's currently going for $14.98. It is 14 karat gold plated. If you're interested in this ring, I want you to comment down below with the words "enter me." I want you to let me know that you want it. I'm going to leave this contest open for, let's see, for 2 weeks. And I'm going to select a winner at random. To enter this giveaway, you must be a subscriber to my channel. And when I reach out to contact you, you will have to send me a screenshot as proof. And you must live in the United States. I will ship you this nose ring that's in right now, which is the 14 karat gold with the nose horn nose ring, to your mailing address if you are interested. I'm going to leave the contest open for 2 weeks. Check the description box and my pinned comment to know when the contest ends. But I'm hoping to reach some people who have a nose piercing or are getting one that would be interested in a 14 karat gold plated jewelry. So this was impromptu. I wasn't gonna like do a giveaway, but after trying these on, I think that it would be good to give this to someone else. I haven't opened it. Y'all saw I didn't open it. I bought 2 of the same one. So yes, you guys, this was me trying my nose piercing hoop for the very first time. If you're interested in entering the giveaway, please comment down below with the words "enter me" and if your nose is pierced already, and let's talk in the comments. If you have any questions, video requests, please let me know down below. Subscribe to my channel, share this video and my piercing playlist with anyone that you know that just got a piercing or is thinking about getting one, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.